Hello, this is Lyle Dilly. I wanted to take my students in the Adobe animation class really quickly through how to make an MP4. There has been a certain amount of confusion, and I wanted to make sure that I mitigate some of this confusion. It's really important that we understand how to make an MP4 file. This is going to allow us to add it to YouTube, to be able to share it more broadly. MP4 is a standard across the internet, so I wanted to make sure that we're understanding and that we're using this kind of file when we're exporting. Okay, it's fairly easy. It's a two-step process. First, you start with the animation, which we have right here. Okay, just kind of very simple. This is what you need to do for your final MP4 file. Okay, just goes on a thing, lasts about 3 seconds. Okay, it's a two-step process. Okay. First process is we go File, Export to Video. Okay. The .mov file. Okay. This one is entitled, but we can title it whatever we want. We're going to title this as Test. We need to make sure that we understand where it's located. We can press Browse. I'm going to go ahead and put this in my Downloads folder. Okay. Test. Save. All right. Now, the very most important thing, okay, is to convert the video in Adobe Media Encoder. Okay. Small side note: if you're importing it into other kind of video software like Premiere Pro, you may even want to ignore the stage color and generate an alpha channel so that the animation you're making actually is see-through and you can see what's in front and behind it. It's a really cool thing to do for that. Alright, so we're going to convert it video in Adobe Media Encoder. It's going to open the software once I press the export button. We'll go ahead and press the export button. It's very small, 3 seconds. It should only take a second. Once it's done, it's actually going to open up the video encoder. Right here you can see that it's already put it into the queue here in the Adobe Media Encoder 2019. Okay. Once it's put that into the media encoder, the only thing we really need to worry about is what format it's in. Okay? Now, in MP4, it's a little confusing, but you do get used to it. It's H.264. I'll say it again, because it's very important. 8.264 is what's going to convert this to an MP4. Okay? Once we do that, you'll notice that it's actually going to say MP4 over here in the corner. Make sure you know where that MP4 file is. The very last step is very simple. We press the play button over here in the corner. Okay, I'll go ahead and press that play button. It's going to go through the whole thing. It's going to do it. Once I see the check mark, we know that it's already there. I'll go ahead and check my files, and sure enough, we have the MOV file that we made and the MP4. Thank you for listening. It is very easy. I wanted you to go ahead and upload the MP4 files, which is a requirement for many of the assignments, including your final. Thank you for your time.